Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laude Muhammad Rizrinanto. I am the delegation of Madrasah Aliyah Pesantren Ummu Sabri Kendari, and today in this video I will bring you a speech under the title of discrimination. Discrimination is the unjust or prejudicial treatment of people or things, especially in the ground of race, age, religion, or sex. In another word, it is also defined as the recognition or understanding between one thing or understanding of the difference between one thing and another. Minorities in one place are always targets and victims of discrimination itself. In fact, I could say that all human beings in this world have been given the gift from God since they were all born in the form of human rights, the right to get the same treatment, and so on. In Indonesian scale, the right to get the same treatment is called the right of legal quality. It was also managed in the Constitution of Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. For example, all Indonesian citizens from any background have the right to live in safety. Therefore, all of Indonesian citizens have the right to get protection from the security apparatus. Meanwhile, internationally, according to the United Nations, here are some human rights that they have since born, like the right to live and freedom, freedom from slavery, freedom from torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to live, the right to get to work, the right to get education, and many more. Everyone have the right to these rights without any discrimination from anyone. Ladies and gentlemen, by all the things that I have just expressed toward discrimination, it is clear and also has been confirmed by the United Nations about some rights that humans have since born without any discrimination from anyone. But ironically, there are still a lot of discrimination cases that happen to this day. For example, last year on May of 2020, the world was shocked with the death of George Floyd, a black man who allegedly received different treatment when he was about to be arrested by the Minneapolis City Police. Cases of violence and even murder are not only triggered because of this criminal case, but more than that. The public believe that the arbitrary of different treatment of George Floyd was also triggered because George was a man of a black race. Discrimination against the black race in the United Nations is still commonly happen to this day. This caused criticism from various people from around the world, which led to demonstrations everywhere, including Germany and Australia. The hashtag Black Lives Matter was trending on social media at the time, which says that all human beings have the right to have a happy life without exceptions those who are black. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe, just maybe, the majority of discrimination cases just cause into anger and disappointment. But the impact can be even more severe if the case gets even more complicated. For example, gender discrimination. It can cause into mental health disorder and even severe trauma. When someone feels uncomfortable towards something and being afraid of being discriminated again, it means that they have already ill in their mental. Ladies and gentlemen, regarding all the stories that I have just told you about discrimination, it seems that the case of discrimination in just a large or small scale, both seem have the biggest impact for individual. In just a simple case of discrimination can cause into severe trauma and so on. The most fatal impact of discrimination can cause into death, slaughter, confinement, and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, regarding all the stories about discrimination that I have just told you above, me personally and all of us, I think, will do against the name of discrimination itself. Respecting one another should be put on top of everything, regardless the race, age, religion, tribe, or culture. A wise man once told me this: the world is a dangerous place, not because the people who are evil, but because the people who doesn't do anything about it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for all of your attention for watching this video. For the last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.